Today is my favorite day. He made it a special day. I love tomorrow, yesterday, but today is my favorite day. Is today your favorite day? Yes, it is. Wow, I like that. It's a Teacher Anauncieta. Welcome to EasyElimu, Learning Simplified. Wow, making cutouts of rectangles. Wow. Do you remember we made cutouts of circles? Today we are making cutouts of rectangles. Teacher again. Yes. So what have we been told? We have been told to cut, to make. Does everyone has a paper? Yes. I want to see neatly drawn cutouts. Don't want to see people drawing their own things. Do it nicely. Nicely, 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 nicely. Do it nicely, nicely. Do you know the meaning of the word nicely? Very accurate. Nicely, like mine here. Then we can cut and see how it comes out. Very good. Have you finished tracing? Mine, I want to cut them 4 at a go. They have said you make how many cutouts? 4 cutouts. So if you don't have 4 cutouts, then I guess you are in the wrong place. They have said how many cutouts? 4 cutouts. Cutouts. So I want to see people cutting neatly. We said you follow the line nicely. Hold your pairs of scissors nicely. When you hold them nicely, you're able to cut very nice. Very nice. Like mine here. Very good. Cut along the line nicely. The other side again, do it slowly and nicely and neatly without leaving any dents on it. Very good. Then again, the other side, you do it nicely. The way I've done mine nicely. Wow. Then you undo them and see, have you formed the 4 cutouts? Do you have the 4 cutouts like mine? Yes, teacher. Wow. Nice. So if you formed the 4 cutouts, place them on the table. What have you formed? What have you formed? What have you formed? I have 1, I have 2, I have 3 and 4. What happened to this one? This one didn't come out clearly, nicely, the way I wanted it to be. Let's shape this one nicely. So I have how many cutouts? I have 4 cutouts. Then teacher, just keep them nicely. We'll be told what to do with them. I have not been told what you're supposed to do with the cutouts, but at least I know I have my 4 cutouts. Now, when you look at these cutouts, which shapes have you formed? Which shapes have you formed? Which shapes have you formed? We have formed the rectangles. Which cutouts have you formed? The rectangle cutouts. So we want to see what will happen in the next lesson What are we going to use to do with these 4 rectangles? I've just been told, help the learners make the 4 rectangles. But I think there is something you're going to do with the 4 rectangles. It cannot be just like that. It can't be like that. So at least we have formed the 4 cutouts. Any question? Any problem? So when you go home, I want to see people continue practicing to do the cutting so that you learn how to cut along the line and without leaving a serrated margin. Have you seen mine the way it's straight along the line? No serrated margin. Okay? Someone is asking, what is a serrated margin? When you don't cut in a straight line and you keep on cutting and stopping, you form something that is not straight, something that is not smooth, so it becomes serrated. It looks like a pair of scissors cutting someone. Okay? So I have formed my rectangles here nicely without serrated margin. I hope you formed yours too, and I wish to see you in the next lesson so that you can find out what will you be doing with those rectangles. Thank you.